Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FlutterFire for Firebase integrations in Flutter, complete guide step by step clearly. To register your Flutter app with Firebase, start by visiting the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in the console, click on Add Project. Provide a name for your project and click Continue. Select whether you want to enable Google Analytics for your project and click Continue or Create Project. After the project is created, click Continue to access your project's dashboard. On the dashboard, find the Add App section and select the Android icon. You will need to enter your Android package name. To find this, open your Flutter project in your code editor and navigate to the Android app directory. Locate the Android manifest file, usually found at android/app/src/main/androidmanifest.xml. Copy the package name listed there and paste it into the Firebase console. You can optionally provide a nickname for your app and the SHA-1 certificate for Google services. Click Register App after entering the details. Now, download the Google Services.json file that Firebase provides. Move this file to your Flutter project at Android/app. Next, you need to add the Firebase SDK to your project. Open your build.gradle file located in Android/app. Add the following line to the dependencies section: implementation com.google.firebase, Firebase BOM 29.0.3. Save and sync the project. In the main build.gradle file located at Android/build, ensure you have the Google Services class path in the dependencies section. This line should look like classpath com.google.gms Google Services 4.3.10. Sync the project again after editing this file. Now, navigate to your Flutter project's lib folder in your code editor. Open the main.dart file and ensure to import Firebase and initialize it inside the main function. Add import package firebase_core/firebase_core.dart at the top of your main.dart file. Wrap your main function with widgets flutter binding.ensure initialized before calling firebase.initializeApp. Finally, run your Flutter app on your device or emulator to confirm the Firebase integration is successful. Once everything is set, you can start adding various Firebase services like Firestore, authentication, and more to your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.